Okay, so at Catarata Del Toro, you actually have another option to do what they call the Blue Falls. They have two options. One is the Blue Falls Light, which gets you access to, I think, 2 or 3 waterfalls. And then the other one is the Blue Falls Full. That one is about a 6 to 7 hour tour, completely through the woods, not really any trails. From what I've read, literally a guy with a machete hacking the way through. So we're doing the light because of timing. So what's really cool is, babe, where would you say we're at right now?
Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
Oh God. Babe, I'm going up there. Hi. I'll go slow. Nobody's scared.
We also found a birthday twin. Birthday twin! Unbelievable. Martin, hey! Florida, Chicago. All right, we're going. We're going in. Okay, so before this trip, I found out that I wanted some water hiking shoes. Didn't want to pay a lot of money, so I went on Amazon, of course. For $20 to $30, we got these babies.
Sexy. They're dirty, but they're waterproof, and if I stuck this in the water right now, it would have been clear. Worth it, very worth it.
But just absolutely worth it. They called a liter, I think. It's a bunch of different brand names, but they're all $30 and just well worth it. I want the live reaction for this haste. While she cuts hers, I'm just gonna grab it. Boom. So now what are we doing?
Ziplining.
Ziplining.
Just remember, you can from the red line there, cross, perfect. Ready?
Yes.
Salib! Okay, see you over there. You want to say something before you go?
With you. Are you hungry? Buddy. Oh, that's a big. Okay. That was yummy. We're about to eat lunch. Do you mind?
Happy
birthday to you.
Ah, gracias. Thank you very much.
I know this is a lot, but
It's a lot, but
we
thank
tried
you
to
so much.
prepare one a cake, but we don't have, we are really busy. And I'd like to see you have a,
Thank you so
you
much.
are you celebrating some special day, and it's
So I'm enjoying the sunset, my 31st birthday. Zooming on it a little bit. There you go. Cori, on the other hand, is a little cold. One final birthday cheers.